What's up guys, back here with another video. Today I'm going to be installing some 2-inch spacers in the back of my 1000 Polaris Ranger. So here I have the 1.5-inch spacer, but since I took the OEM wheels off that were offset, now I have the rear is about a 1/2 inch more in than the front. So I'm going to be putting in some 2 inches and replacing the 1.5. You can see the difference there. That's the 1.5 and that's the 2 inch. All right, here's the other side. Those are high lifter spacers that I'm taking off, and they're high lifter that I'm putting back on, just like my Ranger, which is a high lifter XP 1000. All right, so I got the spacers installed. Now the back is perfectly in line with the front, because before it was about a 1/2 inch space, so now it's perfect. There you go. That's installing spacers on a Polaris Ranger. Thank you. Thanks for watching.